It's me, Jimmy. So the question is that the question is quite simple. Why? Okay, if you don't already make like few videos about ChatGPT, you know my opinion. So someone asked me why Jimmy you're not excited. Okay, why I'm not excited about ChatGPT? Let me put it like that. Why I'm not excited about ChatGPT OpenAI? Because it's overrated, overhyped. Using in real world do not give you the result which people are hoping. I look into the data. It do not skyrocket business. It do not skyrocket sales. Few people make a lot of money using OpenAI, but a lot of the businesses out there do not. Few people started their online business, but a lot of them failed. The problem is that ChatGPT, if you, the problem is, oh, we are using ChatGPT, we are using OpenAI, we are modern, we are techie. You're not so techie. These kind, where were you when there was ChatGPT 3? Where were you when there was ChatGPT 2.5? Were you using? I was there. I was doing the beta testing of ChatGPT 3 and other similar software few years ago for my blogging. So I was using the AI content writing software for nearly 3 years, but I never use a. I just use it sometimes for mockup. So these things I'm using. And ChatGPT 4 is revolutionized. It can answer. You idiot. You dummy. It's only using 2011, 2021 data. Even start using the latest data, it can never ever replace a human. Earning money with AI is hard. A lot of YouTubers are making money. Oh, earn money, earn money. If you're earning money with AI, you will never ever make a YouTube video. It's like asking Bill Gates to make YouTube video how to make money. Of course, Bill Gates is making money. Then why he need to make video like just imagine that. Like Mark Zuckerberg during early years of Facebook, or Bill Gates during the early years of Windows, like when he, like, especially let's imagine Windows 3 launch, will he be making videos? Okay, let's assume there was YouTube at that time. No, he will be working. Real people who earn money online do not waste time making video. Very few people there, very few people on YouTube, like King Human. A lot of people say King Human is a scam. No, I personally know King Human for like last 13 years. Even King Human is my YouTube subscriber because it's like my friend. I know him for a very long time. I'm not giving him a shout out. I don't give anyone a shout out. You call me arrogant, what? But King Human, the person who look like a scammer to everyone, real give you information. The real give you information. Also, he earn money, but he give you real information. So most of this YouTuber started a YouTube channel just to earn money, not to teach you how to use OpenAI to earn real money. That, like, just do this, make YouTube shorts. Look into the data. To make a talking head picture video is very expensive. It's very expensive. You have to pay around $150 for 90 minutes. The prices are very high. You spend like upfront $300 to make like at least 100 shorts, or you can create 100 shorts or something like that talking head. So I'm not excited because it's overhyped. Yes, people who are smart, they will try to utilize ChatGPT in a smarter way, not like an overhyped way. Everything is like my watch is using ChatGPT. Microphone is, everything is AI. AI is not smart. The AI which we envisioned before was not this AI. This is still based on the basic. I will say it's still based on the function. If condition, like if or that condition statement. If you don't even a programming what I'm talking about. So this is not the data envision which can act on itself. This is not the same data. If you look into the OpenAI code, OpenAI library, I'm not excited for because it's overhyped. I'm using OpenAI. I'm using a lot of AI based software for years. I love using AppSumo. I buy a lot of software. If I don't like, I get the refund. I'm utilizing. I write a lot of blog posts using the mockup from the, like, I'm using now this software called like the Writer Sonic. It's amazing software. I'm using that software a lot. To do my mockup and write the blog post. So I hope this answers the question. Subscribe and bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. Also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.